Up here. So today, hey guys, what's up? So it's Apple Tesla up here. So today I'm going to show you guys on how to win auctions on eBay. This is pretty much the old method. I'm not sure this is on iOS, but it's on Android. So you guys can go and search up. It's called actually Sniper for eBay. Sniper for eBay is basically like it's Sniper for eBay. It pretty much just allows you to like pick the auction at the last second. And bet, put money down for it. So, pretty cool. So, you guys are trying to, like, win an auction for something. You would have to pretty much go in there at the last second, and then bid a higher money so you can win that auction. And like I said, last person to get that, like the last one to bid with the highest price, obviously, would win the auction and would get the product. So, this is a way you guys can ruin someone's day and get the product you guys want to get. So, you can also do the old-fashioned way. Just go in there, wait for like the last second, and then, just click on the bid. You can do that way as well, but there are some apps. This is one of the apps I'm trying out, but you just want to search up Sniper for eBay, and there's bid auction apps, a couple of them. I just showed you guys on the Play Store. I'm not sure they have any in the iOS App Store. I didn't really check yet, but yeah, I'm just using the Android for this video. So you guys pretty much will actually have to link your eBay account to whatever service you guys want to use, because that's how you can actually have access to, and they can actually bid for you, obviously, or bid it. You can't bid it, if your account's not connected, so it makes sense. If you're using mobile, blah, 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 first time to eBay, so I'm just going to tap on cancel, or you got to type on OK and, set it up. So you can always bid in 4 different ways. Touch the battery here, and we tap on OK. And so we have our little screen right here. Like I said, depending on the app you use, it would be a little different. But for this app, we have my bid, search eBay, new bid, blah, 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 group, settings, whatever. So let's say I'm going to search eBay. I'm actually going to go to what you're looking for. And I'm actually going to go search up something I want. Like I said, I want to look up like iPhones, and it's going to search up the iPhones that's has an auction for. So on eBay, so you see you have Apple iPhone 8 Plus, blah blah, 207. Whatever the price is. There's some bids are also there. So obviously the bids that have like when there's usually no bids, usually means like the product was just put on there. So you see this one is 0 bids, but it's put on there. So it's 6 days off. I think usually it's on there for 7 days. So that's why it just was put on there. But yeah, you look at everything and see how much bids it has, and you can actually bid on it. So when you tap on something, the less bids something has, the better chance you're probably going to win the auction, because there's less people actually trying to buy the item or focus on the item. So you actually tap on select or find. I think it's select we put on. Yeah, so you press on select, and then for this we actually can bid. And it tells you it bids the amount of seconds before. So you literally bid like 1 second before it ends. So you tap on 4 or 1. If you tap on 1 second, literally like you can't lose it, because like unless someone does it within that 1 second, you're not going to lose it. So this is a safe way to get the bid and actually get it. So right now it's on 207.50, and you basically put the price to something you want. Obviously it's be higher than that price. The only problem with this is that you do have to do this like before it ends. Like maybe I'll say. It's going to be a little hard, because you have to do this like at least a minute before it ends. So you look at the price, right? And I'll go a couple dollars ahead. People always do like 50 cents or $1 ahead. So maybe go like $5, $10 ahead of the price, like when there's like 1 minute left, and then you want to put a certain amount on. Because if you put a certain amount on and it's not higher than what the person bets, then you're going to lose. You can't put a bid in unless it has to be higher. I'm pretty sure. So I would just wait till like a minute left, and then put like a price that's like $5 above that price, or even a couple dollars. But $5, $10 would be safe, depending on what you're buying. And then, like I said, 1 second, your bid would actually going to place your bid, and you would most likely you're going to win this auction. So really cool. Obviously, you have to connect your account to this, like I said. But yeah, so you can also do this old-fashioned way, like I said. Just do it, go in there yourself and do it, but you have a better chance of winning by doing this way, especially if there's a lot of people who are doing the same thing you are. But yeah, thanks guys for watching, and I'll catch you next one. Peace.